Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Omen. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Omen isn't turning on at all, it may be due to a faulty power supply. This can happen for a variety of reasons, including power surges, overheating, or simply wear and tear over time. If left unaddressed, the issue could lead to further damage to your device, making repairs more complicated and costly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a new compatible power supply for your HP Omen. First, ensure your device is completely powered off and unplugged from the mains. To open your HP Omen safely, lay it on a clean, flat surface. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Be sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently leverage the back panel off with a flathead screwdriver, being cautious not to damage any clips. Now that the back panel is removed, locate the power supply unit. It's typically situated near the back of the device and is connected to the motherboard by several cables. Carefully disconnect these cables, noting where each one connects, as you will need to reconnect them later. Check for any screws holding the power supply in place and remove them using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pull the power supply away from its slot. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old power supply removed, take your new one and carefully place it into the designated slot. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Now, reconnect the cables to the motherboard, ensuring they are firmly attached and in the correct positions. Once everything is back in place, replace the back panel of your HP Omen and secure it with the screws. Finally, plug in your device and power it on to check if it's working correctly. To help prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using a surge protector to safeguard against power spikes and ensure your device is well ventilated to prevent overheating. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.